Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this will be our weekend reading for June 28, 29. So sa lahat po ng mga OFW na katulad ko, happy weekend, enjoy na po tayo. And we continue on growing, learning, and also surviving. So ganun po talaga. So ito po yung ating weekend reading, June 28 to 29. Okay, pera. So grounded and abundance. Yan po talaga yung ating hinahanap. So family-wise, we are the provider. So we make sure that we have that monthly supplies. Oh, so okay. So here is the father and also some of those not so clear or intuition. Okay, meron bang hinihingi o meron bang hinahanap? So as far as weekend, so para sa mga tatay, so who always make decision, so it's about time to proceed kung ano man yung ating decision na dapat gawin. Merong balita or whatsoever news. Oh, sorry about that. At merong kumatok sa bahay. Okay, so balita or news na darating or inaantay natin ang wala pang clarity. So, maaring ito ay promotion o maaring ito ay isang big purchase na kailangan natin gawin. Maaring ito ay obligasyon. So, basically, it's all about waiting for the clarity, wisdom, or advice sa mga leader o sa mga boss. Kung meron pa tayong hinihintay na promotion that we are expecting after all the hard work, sa mga nanay at tatay na who are provider for their family. So this is something that's affecting, I believe, family matters, and also making sure that you have all the visibility to make that decision. So that would keep us most likely busy thinking about it and deciding on it over the weekend. So yeah, it's a good news for everybody. So we just need to do whatever we are good at. So have a great weekend to everybody.